tools, and number one, we have the pros and the cons. Number one is that under the pros, it is an intuitive and simple to use user interface. Google Apps are easily integrated, including Gmail and Calendar, and there can be no more than 250 attendees at a single meeting, and sharing and screen recording are also possible. Real-time captioning is available to improve accessibility for the content, and encryption from start to finish guarantees security. We have the cons. There are limitations for the feature available in the free edition, and you need to sign up for Google Meet account before you can participate in or host a meeting. Certain advanced features can only be accessed through premium packages, and changing meeting parameters is not an easy task. And there are times when the video and audio do not work properly. And our conferencing tool is the Microsoft Teams. We have the pros and cons. Under the pros, we have number one is that among the Microsoft apps that are integrated are OneDrive and Outlook. There are various options available for collaboration, such the capacity to modify documents, distribute information, and plan tasks. A meeting can have up to 300 attendees at a time, and sharing and screen recording are also possible. Advanced security features include things like multi-factor authentication and data encryption. We have the cons. Number one is that the sheer number of functions may overwhelm new users, and a Microsoft account is necessary for both hosting and taking part in meetings. And the maximum duration of meetings is limited in the free edition, and the problems and complaints about performance appear infrequently. My video conferencing tool is the Zoom, and we have the pros and the cons. And the pros is we say that the interface is simple to use because of the intuitively built controls. And number two is that events can accommodate up to 1,000 attendees, and virtual backdrops, breakaway rooms, and polls are a few of the accessible options. Sharing and screen recording are also possible. The audio and video are of very high caliber, that is high quality. Transferability across several platforms is possible. We have the cons. Number one is that the maximum duration of meetings is limited in the free edition, and prior to this, worries of safety and confidentiality are being expressed. And it takes a paid program to access some features. There are occasionally issues with connectivity, and prior to being able to host or attend meetings, you must first register for Zoom. You have the big blue button, we have the pros, and number one is that it is created specifically to make use of the internet for teaching and learning. Functions with variety of LMS like as module, and number three is that whiteboards, polls, and breakout rooms are a few of the interactive features. And sharing and screen recording are also possible. It is customizable in addition to being open source. It supports a number of languages. We have the cons. Number one is that comparing scalability to other technologies reveals limitations. Installation and maintenance may need specialized expertise, and applications without a learning objective could have a less user-friendly interface. It is rare to integrate with other programs, and the audio and video quality can occasionally be an issue. The next, that is the Cisco WebEx meetings. We have the pros, and the audio and video are of very high caliber, and the events can accommodate up to 1,000 attendees. Among the several options are screen sharing, recording, and virtual backdrops. And Cisco WebEx let you add the Cisco collaboration solution to function seamlessly with one another. And it uses one of the newest and most advanced security techniques, that is the end-to-end encryption, and transferability across several platforms is possible. We have the cons, and the one is that the maximum duration of meetings is limited in the free edition, and it is necessary to have a Cisco WebEx account in order to attend or conduct meetings. It takes a paid program to access some of the features. We have comparative analysis and the Google Meet. Number one is that it is an intuitive and simple to use user interface. Google Apps are easily integrated and encryption from start to finish guarantees security. And under the pros, there are limitations to the features available in the free edition, and you need to sign up for Google Meet account before you can participate in or host a meeting. And there are times when the video and audio do not work. After Microsoft Teams, and under the pros, among the Microsoft apps that are integrated are OneDrive and Outlook, and there are various options available for collaboration. Advanced security features include things like multi-factor authentication and other encryption. And the disadvantages, the sheer number of functions may overwhelm new users. A Microsoft account is necessary for both hosting and taking part in meetings. Problems and complaints about performance appear frequently. We have the Zoom, and the interface is simple to use because of the intuitively built controls, and virtual backdrops, breakaway rooms and polls are a few of the accessible options. The audio and video are of very high caliber, and under the disadvantages, the maximum duration of meetings is limited in the free edition, and prior to this, worries of safety and confidentiality had been expressed. There are occasionally issues with connectivity, and the blue is created specifically to make use of the internet for teaching and learning. Whiteboards, polls, and breakout rooms are a few of the interactive features. It is customizable in addition to being an open source. Under the disadvantages, comparing scalability to other technologies reveals limitations. Installation and maintenance may need specialized expertise. The audio and video quality can occasionally be an issue. We have the Cisco WebEx meetings. The audio and video are of very high caliber, and among the several options are screen sharing, recording, and virtual backdrops. Uses one of the newest and most advanced security techniques, that is end-to-end encryption. And the maximum duration of the meeting is limited in the free edition. It is necessary to have a Cisco WebEx account in order to attend or conduct meetings. And there are occasionally issues with connectivity. We have the summary of the comparative analysis table, and it says that although Google Meet is easy to use and easily integrates with other Google products, its functionality are restricted in the free form. And the second one is that Microsoft Teams has many tools for collaboration. Beginning users may find it frightening. The next one is that although Zoom offers a lot of features and great audio and video quality, there have previously been security issues. And the big blue pattern may not be scalable, but it is meant for online learning. I have the screenshot. There is the Google Meet screenshot account. You have the Google Meet screenshot account and the big blue account screenshot. Thank you.